Hi, welcome to this video tutorial on how to do the blurry face trend on CapCut. So, first thing to do is to open CapCut and we start a new project. Now, from our gallery, we choose the video on which we want to use the blurry face effect. Now that your video is open, we should click on Effects, now on Video Effects, and search for the blur effect. So, here it is. We click on it and press on the check mark. Now the blur effect is loaded on your template. Now you have to make sure the blur effect covers the entire length of your video. With the blur effect selected, you can click on Adjust and select the intensity. Now that you chose your intensity, we have to click back once and then back again and look for the overlay option. Now that we found it, we click on it and click Add Overlay. Now we gotta choose the same video once again. Make this overlay video match the same dimensions as the first one. Now that we made sure of that, we need to look for the mask option. For that, we need to scroll all the way to the right, and here it is. Since we want to blur out a face, I recommend to choose the circular option. We resize it and put it over the face we want to blur. So in this case, it is girl's face. But as you can see, the blur effect is the other way around. So to fix this, we gotta click on the invert button. Now the blur is only showing in the circle, but what happens if we click play? As you can see, the circle stays static, but the girl's face moves. So to fix this, we need to use something called keyframes. So go to the beginning of the video and click on the keyframes button. Now move to the part where you need to move the blur to. Click on mask and move the blur. Now click on done. When you click on done, a keyframe will automatically be added to the scene. Now you need to repeat this keyframe process all the way to the end of the video. When you are done, you can export your video like you always do. This is how you can create the blur face trend on CapCut. I really hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing to our channel.